Here's the BMW I got from robtram on eBay. This guy is a consummate professional. He had this thing lashed down with, I'm not sure what they're called, but little steel straps. Anyway, this guy must be a consummate professional as far as selling amateur radio equipment, because look how he packed it so nice. There's the receipt thingamaboo. But look how nice he packed it. He has this cardboard on top. And then he has this square sheet. And you pull it off and there's the radio. Amazing. Totally amazing, Mr. robtram. And then he has these pieces all in here to match the radio. You can't ask for better. And there's the radio right there. All right, now I gotta get it out of here. It's 60 pounds, now I gotta lift it up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.